bruh. Like, fam. What's up, everybody? It's Strange Hues and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the 7 products that I've been using in my hair since I locked it. And if you haven't already seen my hair journey video, the growth is evident. Like, I can't even floss. I am shook by how fast my hair has grown. I've been locked for about 9 months now. A couple of days ago I hit 9 months, and I could only attribute it to the consistency of my regimen. Without getting into the nitty-gritty details of my regimen, I just would really like to share what products I've been using because I feel like they contributed so much to the growth of my hair. I haven't done anything fancy. If anything, I've learned with Locs, less is more, and I really love that about having my hair like this because the time and the energy that I have saved since I locked my hair is insurmountable. Like, I literally be chilling every weekend. It don't be wash day no more. It don't be wash weekend no more. I be chilling. I wanted to share the products that I've been using because I noticed, along with my time and my energy being saved, I saved a lot of money on products because with Locs, I kept it simple. I kept it completely simple, and I just focused on wash day and my daily maintenance. So I just want to share those products with you guys, starting with my first shampoo. So yes, I do use 2 shampoos when I wash my hair, and the first is for clarification. Like, I'm clarifying, I'm getting all of the dirt and the muck off of my scalp. I work out about 4 times a week, so I consistently sweat into my scalp, and it's not pretty after about a week and a half. The buildup that is left on my scalp after a week or 2 of working out consistently is just, it's not cute. So after I go in with my cleansing shampoo, then I go in with my hydrating and moisturizing shampoo, which doesn't lather up the same, and it feels more like a conditioner, which is why I use it. So I use the SheaMoisture Manuka honey. Oh, I didn't even mention. So I use the olive oil from ORS for my cleansing, and I use the Manuka honey from SheaMoisture for my hydrating and my moisturization. After I go in with these 2 products, I'll go in with this product that was designed and created by a college professor of mine. It's called Daily Natural Haircare Hair Conditioner, and it's a softener and moisturizer. And you know, it's just a Black-owned business, and I love supporting his stuff, and it's all organic. And I really like this product because it is like no other conditioner I've ever tried. So what I do is, after I finish washing, I let it air dry just a taste, just a little bit, like 5-10 minutes go by, and then I come back with this and go through it in like sections of my hair, and it really seems to like lock in some of that moisture and kind of keep it, you know, keep it soft and manageable for locks, because as we know, it's like, you know, just, it's not like we're trying to make any curls pop or anything, but I still want my hair to be moisturized as I'm locking it. So I don't want brittle, broken off, thinning hair, you know, in years to come. So this is the hair conditioner I use. Love it. My next product is Rosewater. So everyone who has been locked or is thinking of locking their hair has seen this. Maybe even some loose naturals use it, but it's the Heritage Store Rose Petals Rosewater. So I use the Rosewater and the Rosewater Glycerin, and I really like these because they just make your hair smell better. It's literally just like spraying water on your hair, but it smells good. It's like fragrant water, and it just kind of, not masks, but it kind of refreshes your scalp day to day, and I really like that about this product. And then my second product that I go in with like every other day is Jane Carter Solution Leave-In Conditioner. I still love her. I used this product when I was a loose natural as well, and it's really just enriching to my hair. It just makes it feel a little bit more moisturized, and it doesn't feel very brittle. What happened to my hair right here? When did I do that? When did I do that? So recently I retied my hair to a different direction, so I'm still trying to get used to it, this direction. These are two like liquid sprays I use in my hair. One is basically water, the other is a leave-in conditioner, and I try not to use too much of this because I still want to avoid buildup while I'm trying to maintain moisture in my hair. So these two work really well together. I use this one every day, morning and night, and I use this one every other day, morning. So yeah. And not to mention, because I sweat in my hair so much, it's easy for your hair to like possibly create a smell, like if you're not refreshing it daily. So the Rosewater is really good for that, and the Jane Carter Solution leave-in conditioner is really good for that as well. I have this Beauty Planet Sandalwood and Grapeseed oil spray that I use in my hair, and I just kind of stumbled upon this like looking for the soap because I love their soap, and this is an all natural product. So it says, I love this stuff, I really enjoy. Can y'all see that? Boom, there you go. So yeah, I really enjoy the scent of sandalwood, and grapeseed oil was my favorite oil when I was a loose natural. Just, it was so light, it was just so moisturizing. I loved it so much. So that was my favorite, and now I have it in spray form. I like this. It smells really, really good. It keeps my scalp very moisturized, like from a day to day, because I can't stop every day and like really oil up my scalp. So I just hit the sweet spots right quick once a day and love it. The last product I like to use in my hair is SheaMoisture's 100% pure argan oil, and it's not just this particular brand. You know, I don't know if that's gonna focus. Yeah, so I like to use this oil simply because I saw it in the store and it had a little pump. So I just thought it was a really, you know, I just wanted to use it, rub my fingertips and like massage my scalp, like say, like this. So those are the products I like to use in my hair, just those 7 products. I don't use anything else. If anything, I might rotate those out with something different as I find something else I like. But for now, those 7 products are the holy grail for me. They've carried me this far. Like, I can't stop doing this in my hand. And I've told my friends, like, once I'm here, like once I hit here. So I picked these products based on what worked for me when I was a loose natural, because even though I'm locking my hair, or it's, you know, beginning to lock, it's still your hair from the beginning, and it still kind of grows in the same from the base. And I want to take care of the way that my hair has always been. It's never really needed heavy products. It's never really liked heavy oils, heavy creams, heavy custards. It's always been very leave-in spray oil, light oil based, like grapeseed oil and leave-in conditioner. Spray were my go-tos when I was a loose natural, and now that I'm locked, I'm still with, you know, leave-in sprays and light oils because that's what works for my hair. I really like how they're working with my hair, and I think it's really based on what worked for my hair when I was still a loose natural. Because although I am locking my hair is still my hair, and it still kind of retains moisture the same way it did. I forget what porosity my hair was. I can't remember. I think it was low. I can't remember what it was. I don't remember. I just kind of stuck to my guns and stuck with what I know, and instead of trying a bunch of new different products because I'm going for a different style, I'm going on a different journey, I just kind of removed things from my regimen that I knew wouldn't work anymore, like creams and gels and custards and all of that. And that's all I do now with my locks. I'm just putting moisture into my hair, locking it in, making sure my scalp is clean and moisturized, and, you know, just keeping up with my regimen. Because, bruh, like, fam, this just don't happen overnight, you know. It's just, you know, I don't know. Scalp still healthy, you know. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and hopefully you might like some of these products that I've mentioned. If you're not already using them, please let me know down below in the description box what hair products you're using on your locks, because I am not closed-minded. I am open to trying a bunch of new stuff. I just don't know what would work for fine interlocked hair, if that makes sense. So please share whatever gems you have, and thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Peace.